We will start with your name and position, sir.
Mina Senator Mbamoyo, Mina the founder and president of the Perfect Guide for Mankind.
Okay, you go tell me a bit about this organization where they talk about the perfect guide for mankind.
Yes, the Perfect Guide for Mankind are an organization we found in 2017, and the vision of the organization is to ensure say every African succeed without corruption and injustice. And we do this through three main pillars. First of all, we do sensitization to people them like let them appreciate the value of upholding some moral principles. Two, we provide knowledge and inspiration to people them so them go for be motivated again for take action for achieve success. And then three, we work with the homes and schools them for look the young people as they grow up and try for change their mindset at that stage.
So like who say on the target or on the donor?
Currently, we get two broad areas we look at. First of all, we look at the media in general, we target the general population, and then we also want for establish school clubs them, for make sure say we not show them picking and day. So tomorrow, and then go be the leaders of the next generation.
Okay, one go and why una decide for look inside una you gonna talk of corruption.
Yeah, now because a lot of times we Africans we always talk about corruption. We always grumble in our corners them. But for take the step for move forward now for say okay, what thing I can do for stop this problem and I did the problem there. We all want for them our comfort zones, enjoy lives with families there. So we say we need for step up, take that responsibility and make sure the change happen because Barack Obama in one of his quotes he said change will not come by waiting for some other person or some other time. We are the ones who've been waiting for, we are the change that we seek. So we are the change we seek and we remove and try to solve the problem.
As young people them wanna decide for come up with this initiative. One go on with the targets now young people them on the target all group of kind.
Well we do 60-40, 60% young picking them, primary school level, TGSS. And then target them adolescents teenagers them and adults them to go up. But more at the beginning one focus on. So 60% of our efforts are for picking them.
Why una say na the picking them on one target where they look at waiting on the happen at the country where talk of child abuse and other thing them we don't they happen around picking them?
Basically we look and say in the process of socialization from where pick somebody born say big, the turn them way they develop certain habits and traits and mindsets and behaviors now we're young as they grow up in our society. So if we're able at that point tell them and clearly show them the way that corruption and they make be and corruption and make people in the suffer like today, at that time we change their mindset by turning the peak and different people that will get in our society.
As soon as plan for take the education back from the picking them and as soon as the mindset of the picking them be prepared say corruption and theory no good. One go and say one of the fights against corruption they inside the government or the president a mandate. Is it because President Bio come up with the fight of corruption make as young people them decide to come up with the initiative?
Okay, no, not to that at all because if you even look now 2017 we start. Bio came last year, 2018. So you don't get any connection with that. We'll never meet even the government for telling anything about initiative. All projects we do it independently. So like you don't get any, you're not motivated by political benefits also.
Since 2017 to 2019, tell me about the organization, which one don't they do, and so far, witness some of the challenges one don't they face as an organization.
So far, what we don't do, we don't get seminars them. But internal for nurture we self first before we go out to talk to people. Then last year we do a very innovative project, video project where AYV supports we for make sure they reach millions of people. The title now being How to Succeed Without Corruption and Injustice. About 40 minutes. Yes, very solid one for sending message, they are clear. So this year again we decide actually for work on 2 video projects one day in progress already and we hope so we'll do the other one before the year done.
What do they aim for achieve as the president handling this kind type of organization?
I want for CCA in say 10, 20, 30 years, massive change in Africa, but it started with my country first. Change happened because no matter which leader we we select, you understand? If we the people then we mind towards corruption, elect rather than pick among the lot of people. Anyone we will sit on, they are just the same. And then make we don't change president and say the thing look complex. But now a mindset change in the country need, and that would work on. So one person say at least in 10-20 years we get a whole generation where they go into systems, then we process system with their mindset change, and then the country for flourish, then we all enjoy the benefits.
So I think so you will achieve this aim in 10-20 years for change the mindset of the people of this country we talk of Sierra Leone as a nation.
We actually they leverage innovation. You understand? You can talk to somebody in Aya, you change your mind. You can talk to some other person, you don't change your mind. So what would they look at? With conversion ratio. So if I talk to any 10 people, how innovative I will make an idea, what will make out of any 10 people that I want to talk to, at least 4 buy my idea, we will convert 4. And when we do this with Video Project 2018, it reached on Facebook alone, it reached close to 15,000 people. Then on the YV, I'm not saying millions of people. Then we able to get positive comments. Then we like to the extent somebody talks it. Una don't show me everything what I need for know for able for really succeed without corrupting injustice. Una don't change my mind and I so I go. So now danding away on focus. How we will talk to people and let them really see sense and let them buy our idea, and then we'll come together and make Africa better.
Okay, thank you very much. We go come now as we continue. We get a beautiful young lady in front of we, where he will introduce himself to we. He will tell you that now you're in position, ma.
Well, me na Sia Christina James, Israelian based in Ghana. My position a fundraising officer.
So why you decide for take up the position as a fundraising officer, you being a woman?
Well, maybe I get the charisma, or maybe I will able to handle that kind of task. So now I make them give me that kind of position as a fundraising officer.
Since we don't handle this position, tell me a bit what you work we don't deal with this organization.
Time without reach, because we get a whole lot of programs that we can organize, like the seminar. Then also we do this video. Now me and I will do the video together again, and we need fund. So I be write letter to people then within research, because right now we not get external like people outside and then will fund me. Now we still the fund the organization right now single-handedly. So I will write letter to we the members, so we'll be able to contribute and able focus on that project, and we'll be able to do them successfully.
Any challenge we una don dey face we talk of funding, and so far una expectation and aim una dey try for work towards?
A lot of challenges there, because nothing good comes easy, as they say. So but we dey try very hard on we own force, because we not really involve anybody it, unless na AYV and Radisson Blue, Uzo Desmond, na them being helping for the first video. Aside from that, we not able to get any funding from other extra people. But now we the fund we save, and it's not easy for we save. Some of we know the work, some of we are student then. So we will the work not too much now the organization. So we try no more on we own very hard for able to raise the money. The money save always at times a whole lot of problems. Some man go say I'm not able, I not get, it's not really easy, but we try.
As a woman, you think you wanna be able to achieve with what they look for, with all the challenges we don't talk of funding, and more so now una your money una dey put for make una see una able reach to una goal?
Yeah, we know they give up, because when you get passion for something, you do all out for let you make sure say you achieve that thing, and we get passion for the vision in general. We not corruption. Corruption don't dey in Africa for ages. Corruption don't dey in Africa for ages, and always the grumble around the corner say, government saw you too money. This is a problem that we under. Somebody don't do this. So they complain and too much. Oh man, the grumble. The country hard. The country stiff, ground dry. All those stuff. all because of corruption, because of false leaders. Them they not been do well for we, they not been set goals them for we, they not been lay foundation for we. So now all they come up, we don't begin face them challenges and they. So now we get passion and we want for let this year, if not to let it down bata but let we able minimize am when that corruption dey. Make we leader dem see to we constraint, because without corruption na the country dey go before, because money wey come for the whole of Sierra Leone, one man sit down pan and no more eat am. So but if that's not happen, everybody benefit out of wetin don come, everybody benefit half. I believe say the triangleness go minimize, go dey always people dem dey complain. So we dey try hard for law we put a stop to that, if not to totally, but law we just try we own best, because everybody dey create im own impact na society. As we the young ones wey dey come, we wan create we own little impact na the society, so that other people, the other pikin dem go learn from it.
As a cry for make woman dem go take part into politics and other things dem we don dey increase na the country, and now you na a woman, you don decide for be part of this initiative where you talk of the fight of corruption and other things dem wey woman dem na dem dey suffer the highest inside the country. One go one if you get any plan like for include other women dem, make them dey na your side together with your team and make una fight against corruption.
Exactly. The organization open to people, will not limit it to itself. Everybody can come in, and also we try for sensitize not only the kids, even the parents, dad and the mama and the papa. Therefore they go door to door, talk to them, because they say charity begins at home but does not end there. So if the parents are able to train them, picking them very well, then will be a better people in future. So the woman their own side, since we don't start for go door to door, the woman they mostly, say now they suffer na Africa, yeah. So we dey try very hard for sensitize the woman dem back, not to only for sit down no more na maridos, for wait for a man chop money, if for also add value to yourself as a woman, so that you go able help the papa, because if the papa kind of nothing he go na office, something dey for thief for can feed you, he must corrupt, he must go into corruption, he must go thief am, he can't turn to in a house. So we dey train them for let them add more value to themselves, so that they will able help na the homes or as well. And the organization, as I say earlier, it open to everybody, it can be part.
If you go compare Ghana, Usayu dey presently, to Salone we talk of corruption, how you go rate Salone compared to Ghana?
Well, that's why we talk about Africa. The whole of Africa is corrupt. No sign of in Africa is not corrupt. But in the case of Ghana, their own corruption maybe it go there around 70%, but other people their own corruption go there around 90%. Everybody getting level because they're more developed. So I know say even though they are corrupt, they are still doing something to benefit the country. But we still dey behind. Some things that we for don dey far ahead. Up to this time, we just dey crawl. We just dey behind. We not able to reach that level there. So now make one start from outside we come out when as Sierra Leone.
This is going to be additional message to listeners.
Okay, I just want to tell all the listeners, as they watch, the one that they don't watch the first video, I believe say them been get a change of mind. Some people then send me message, they call me left and right. Oh, really like the initiative. If you know say you like this initiative, I want make you be part. If not financially, you can be part. It can also give you little advice. It can also bring more ideas. Then say 2 or 3 ideas comes together, makes up a great idea. So we want people that when they go come in, where they go give their own input. We want people that they go support financially, so that this great vision here, go die out. We go able push them forward.